I'm going to teach you all about our Eyelash Boost Serum. So first, let's talk about the ingredients. We have a blend of amino acids, a blend of peptides, and niacinamide. All of those ingredients together are going to stimulate new hair growth, strengthen the follicle and your actual hairs, and nourish and hydrate your hairs. And all of those together is the perfect combo for strong, long, healthy eyelashes. This is an amazing serum. The great thing is there's no harsh chemicals in here that should not be on your eyes. So there's no color changing ingredients. It's super gentle. It's more of a healthy growth, so it's not going to happen overnight. I would say average takes about 8 weeks, 2 months-ish. But it's honestly the best, healthiest way to grow your lashes. Another great thing is you can use it on your eyebrows as well. And when I like to use it is I typically do it the very last step in my routine. So after I've done everything, I just take my brush, and you don't need a ton, just make sure you have a damp brush, and put it right at the base of your lashes where you would put eyeliner. And you can use it both morning and night, or just one, whatever you prefer. And that is it. It is truly amazing. It has done wonders for my eyebrows and my eyelashes. It's a great one.